What's up guys, Learning with Rich here. In this video, still we're going to learn some tips and tricks in Revizto. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an issue. So let's say for example, here on our issue tracker, so as you can see after we synchronize our clashes to our uh, issue tracker, so you will be able to see it to this side here. But you can also add an issue manually. So let's say, for example, going back to my 3D view. So of course, you need to view your model. So you need to check it visually if there are some issues. So let's say, for example, for you, this mechanical equipment should be moved, for example, somewhere here. So you can create an issue for this. So the clash detection, of course, you will not be able to detect this one as a clash because there is no clash in this portion. But let's say this is an issue for you. You want to move this equipment to this side here, so you can create an issue. Okay, so what you can do from your tools here, you just need to click this icon. So this is the tool that we need. So you can press Control Shift and then Control Shift I to create the issue. That's the shortcut, or just click this icon. So you can click that. Okay, and then if you have a stamp created in your project, so you can use a stamp, you can click that. And then let's say this one is for construction. So do I have? So I only have this stamp here. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cancel this. I'm going to close this one. I'm going to delete. So let us go to our stamp here. And then let's go check our construction. So we only have this. So we're going to create a new stamp here. So I'm going to select a new stamp template. So this will gonna be placed on my construction. So let's click construction, and then let's say this is for mech, for mechanical. So I'm going to type here subcontractor, oh, subcontractor mechanical. All right, and then I'll just select here OK. So there you go. So there's now my stamp. So again, you can specify here the priority. You can select that and then you can specify here. But let's say, for example, you still don't know what will gonna be the priority of that issue. So you can leave this one as it is, but you can assign here who's going to be the person responsible for this issue. So let's say you still don't know, and I don't have any other users here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, since I already created the stamp, so I'm gonna select the 3D again, and then here I'm going to create an issue. So I'll select that, and then I'll be using a stamp here. So I'm going to stamp that for mechanical subcontractor. So that's the stamp. And then after that, I'm just going to select here, done. So that's it. So there's now the issue. It's now automatically added here on my issue tracker. So from the issue tracker, so you can specify now here the priority. You can assign it to the person responsible. You can put a tag here, okay? And then you can put the watchers here. Okay, so let's say for the priority, so this will gonna be major. So I'll just select their major. So let's say you want to put a chat here. So there's the chat. You can specify here. So let's say you can put here move the equipment, let's say 1000 mm to the left, to the left. That's it. Okay, and then you can now send this one. There you go. Okay, so that's how you create. So again, this view is in 2D view, so you can select that in 3D view if you want. So this is now in the 3D view. So You can cycle your issue here. You can select that. You can cycle, and then you can select the one that you have created. You can click that, and there you go. So there's the issue. Okay, so that's it for this simple exercise. So hopefully you learned something from this video. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day.